I'm about to do something out of my element, guys. I'm about to do something out of my element, and I think at the end it'll be worth it. I haven't been uploading in a while because I'm not going to become a slave to YouTube, so it is what it is. If I don't have really good content, I'm not going to post it. So I put my carbon on. Pretty sure you guys would have probably liked that, but I liked it more that I got to put my music on and just go. So we got a couple of things to talk about. The AK is waiting for an alignment to see Spoon and Jamie, right? Spoon's schedule is all over the place because he's kicking ass over there at Jimmy Oaks' place. So I'm waiting for him to give me the word on when to bring him the AK-47. Manolo's not racing for a long time. Why? Some of the tracks that are on schedule are about 5 hours away. And I can't afford to leave for that long, especially for one-day events, right? So drive 5 hours, go race, come back. Not doing that. So I'm going to wait until it cools off a little bit and then bring Manolo back. So basically, I have nothing to do. June proposed to me an offer I could not refuse. And the offer was to finish his car, and he's going to give me something in return that I'll reveal at the end of this vlog series with rebuilding and putting together June's car. Now, a lot of you don't know June. He's a close friend of mine, a great close friend of my brother James that passed away. I have a relationship with this man for over 15, 20 years. Pause on the relationship with this man. Watch your jibs. I paused. I want to help him. I want what he wants to give me for my hard work. I really want that. So I am waiting now in the garage for June's car to get here on the tow truck. This is basically going to be a repeat of Kobe's build. This is a beautiful car, guys. Tucked bay. Wait till you see it. Wait till you see it. So we are going to begin this vlog playlist with June's car, and I'm going to build an entire Honda Civic EK. I know you guys are pumped right now because I'm gonna have content. I know you guys are pumped right now because I am going to revisit a lot of the things I did to Kobe. Brake line tuck, suspension work, interior work, motor, turn it on, right? I'm responsible for that, having the car driving. Now just wait for the tow truck. So before that starts, I'm going to kill this clip. We're going to begin a new clip. I'm going to show you the AK-47 with all the carbon on, and maybe revisit Manolo a little bit. But I'm pumped. Garage is spanking clean right now. I am ready to work. I got 2 tables for parts. If you're excited, smash that like. Consider subscribing. If I get to 100K subscribers, guys, you're going to get way more content. I'll be honest with you. Because now I have something to fight for, and I'm trying to break through this blackballing on YouTube. Like I was telling my people on Instagram on live, is consistency has worked for me for everything but YouTube. I have over 500 uploads. Can't get to that 100K mark. There's people with 50 uploads. I've done a better job on titles. I've done a better job on thumbnails. I don't know who has this black ball on me, man. I got 2 children, brother. Let that shit go, please, man. Let's start gunning. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. All right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40? Yeah. Hi. Again, garage is ready. Super clean. Super clean. AK-47, my baby! So I went and got the carbon cleared. Guys, believe it or not, it's filthy right now because it rained and the car was outside while I finished Seb's car. Frank Dukes is back. Look at the watermarks. Car's filthy, trust me. Filthy. Carbon's on. Fenders, hood, bumpers in the cut, re-cleared everything, no more scratches on anything. Doors are on. Gonna replace those windows. Thinking about putting back the carbon windows. Trunk is on, obviously. Other doors on. Car's ready to go. Car drives, runs, everything fires right up. So this guy is just waiting for Spoon to do the final details. He's gonna reinstall the carbon windows for me. He's gonna take care of this car while I can't. Manolo, he's good to go. He's ready to race, and ended up having just a change of fuel line fitting. It was leaking. But Manolo's good to go. We're gonna keep this guy tucked away for a couple of months. I'm gonna swap cars with June. He's gonna take this one. I'm gonna take his hatch. So I'm just waiting for him to pull up with the tow truck. God damn, look how good that looks from right here. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, man. I'm excited. I'm happy to have some kind of work to do. So as you can see, everything is ready for the parts. He's got everything brand new, guys. Every bolt, every nut. This guy went ape shit buying everything for this car. So I'm excited for June to get here. I'm excited to get the car on the lift, and it's gonna stay on the lift until I turn it on. So we're gunning. Put the wheel. Oh, I got you. All right, guys, let me help now. Kind of trying to get as much footage outside as possible because, you know, that lighting is suspect in there. See how dark it is in there? It's like a little dungeon. So I'm just trying to give you guys as much light now possible. I got a lot of work to do, boss. Wait till you see the boxes. Okay.
You want my man to come kick?
Ooh, no.
With this, I'm gonna go.
Press the red button on top first.
You gotta put a full blood in.
June, we're gonna bring the car all the way up. You're gonna back in the Odyssey. We're gonna empty out all the parts on that table over there, all right? Okay, so this is all kind of like sealed on the bottom too. So what June did while I was building Kobe, made him buy this car. And he basically followed the whole regimen of Kobe. They added a little bit thicker of a texture, if you notice it. But the bottom of this car is done. I just have to bolt up the suspension, put the tow arms in. But he's got everything like brand new in there. Watch this, guys. We're gonna fill this entire 2 tables with brand new parts. Let me help June real quick. Okay, June, so we have our long block. Can you tell us, this is a JDM K24?
K24, got it out of Jersey. And
Engine Depot?
Engine Depot, just stock, just all bolt-ons, ran everything. Then we took it apart, did the fuel pump, type S, harmonic balancer, all the little bells and whistles, bolt-ons that we could put on it.
Okay, transmission?
Type S.
RSX Type S.
RSX Type S.
with I got you. Hold on, bro. Yeah, guys, it's super humid today. Super humid. Take my boy down. All right. So you did the oil pump conversion. Everything is sealed as best as you know. I have to make some custom radiator lines, right? Dash 16.
We did, yep.
And then what clutch did you go with?
ACT stage 5.
Stage 5?
Yeah,
okay.
stage 5.
ACT stage 5. So the clutch is done. Everything
Not
is
ACT, sorry, forgive me. Action clutch.
Action clutch. Action clutch. Okay. All right. Your half shaft somewhere around?
Yeah, I have it in the other
Okay,
garage.
perfect. I don't need it yet. So what my plan is to start, like I said, from the bottom of the car. So I'm going to get the gas tank on. I'm going to do all the fuel stuff right here outside the car. I'll put the gas tank up. You got brand new straps, which is perfect. And then this is like, basically we just tried to separate it, me and June, to engine transmission stuff. And then I need to worry about the suspension first. Like I said, I'm starting from the bottom up on this car. And June did not skip one thing. Willwood brake kit all the way around. New lower control arms, basically a new subframe, new rack. He ordered the MDP sleeve for the power for the steering rack. He's got his axles, insane shaft, 36 millimeters, 500 horsepower axles. Okay, perfect. This is part of your bolting cage?
Yeah.
Okay, went through there. All right, so what I'm gonna do tomorrow when I attack this car is probably just wash the bottom first.
I don't have
Yeah, so it's like you could see there's a bunch of dust there. All right, so I just want to clean that now before I get some other parts on. And then, man, it looks great. I won't lie, it looks amazing. Okay, sounds good. I never seen this. Very nice. What is this?
Sliders.
Sliders?
Sliders, titanium sliders.
What are they for?
So I guess you bottom out, you're not messing up the bar. It's just
Oh,
replacing that.
okay,
You just replace
okay.
these and
Okay, I don't see how the rear of a Civic will get that low. And then I have to change these. You wanted to change these links. You bought the upgraded ones?
Yep.
Okay. So I'll put these on. And then I got a bunch of stuff. But I'm just going to take my time. Okay, so car's here. Again, the lighting is not doing this machine no justice at this moment. But we're gonna get to it, and then we still got to do the wiring stuff. You have your sub harness, you have your interior harness, you have your headlight, tail light harness,
extended, tucked one I just ordered.
When I get to the interior, that's when I'm gonna attack the wiring. So I'll just do everything like that. All right, perfect. We've got a bunch of stuff at his garage. You still got the dashboard there. What else did you keep there?
So we're not doing no rear interior. We're just gonna do the front dash. I ordered the seats from Status right now. Those are coming in 2 weeks, and that's pretty much it. We're just keeping it open. Taking the rug to go get detailed and shampooed, bringing that in. And
is it gonna be black?
I want to do the black interior, but I'm holding off for now.
Okay, no,
maybe that'll be next year's project.
Do your thing. Do your thing. I just wanted to know what I had to take care of. All right, so I have to go bring Manolo to his garage. He's gonna hold it for me, so I don't have to worry about. Damn, this light sucks, bro. He's gonna have to. Yeah, guys, I got to get rid of Manolo for a couple of weeks so I can finish this car. Then I get Manolo back, and then we'll go from there. Bear with me, guys. I'm gonna leave the camera here. I'm gonna go take Manolo to its new home for a couple of weeks, and I'll be right back to chop it up with you. Okay. June's gone. Car's in the lift. Seven's here. Bring this up. Close this garage door real quick, guys. Okay. We got a lot of work to do, man. Alright. So whoever coated the bottom of the car, they missed a few spots. So I'm gonna have to fix and recoat right here. I don't know if you see that line. That's not glare, it's just the factory silver, I think. And they like missed all the sides. You see that right there? You would think that's like glare, but it's not. So, all right, from the bottom of the car. That's my approach on this build. Start from the bottom of the car and try to stay out of this area for as long as I can, right? So pretty much I have my suspension here. Rear rotors here. I have to knock out the studs that are on there, and I have the tool. It's a Leslie. This thing is awesome. Where are you? It's right here. And you'll be able to just, you know, pull those in the correct way. So I have that. Thank God for collecting some tools, right? It's a bunch of K-Tune stuff. He's pretty much... Is that my sneakers? Oh, it's this guy. I thought I heard a mouse. I got scared. All right. He did a great job with organization. So this should be... I'm not going to say simple, because remember, I'm not working on like a backyard build. There's a lot of money into this car. So I really have to be patient. I really have to think 2 moves ahead. Because I'm not really trying to tell the gentleman, hey man, look at this gash I put into your firewall. You get what I'm saying? My reputation's on the line here. God damn it! I definitely have to order some stuff. Definitely have to order some stuff. He gave me the green light. He said whatever I need, just basically tell him how much it was. So most likely I'll need a couple of AN lines and fittings. I'll probably get them from Tri-State. I'll jump on Amazon every now and then if I can change some stuff around. He gave me the green light on this car. He trusts me. You guys trust me. You know, I'm not going to be like, hey man, you know, I bought 9 fittings. It's $318. He's going to be like, okay, here's the money. And then I'd feel like shit. So I'm going to try to make this as cheap as possible for him. And then I get my reward at the end. Pause. And I did pause. Didn't we pause? My boy? Baby? Big boy. We paused. Yeah, man. We got a lot to do here, man. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the content. We're in for a couple of... I know you guys are excited. We're in for a couple of educational, full transparent vlogs. I never do this. I never take people's cars like this, and do it for like an exchange of something. I built Seb's car, 0 money. You know, he's just a good friend of mine, helps me out whenever I need him, help him out. Pause. We got Seb's car running already. Took me, I don't know, 5 hours. Turnkey car. Came in here on a tow truck, drove it out. Back to boost everything. I've done Maddie's car in the past, didn't ask him for a single penny. I've done a few Gunner's cars that I never asked him for no money. Same way here. He's not giving me money for this. So this is out of my element. This is definitely out of my element, but it's mid-August. It's been a shitty year economically, right? Inflation's up, so on and so forth. I don't want to say those keywords to lose this vlog, but I've got a lot of downtime right now. I'm waiting for a lot of things to flourish. I did miss you guys. Hopefully we'll see each other every other day or every day with a new vlog. But I'll start tomorrow. I'll get the camera going. I'll get the tripod out. I think tomorrow's raining. So tomorrow, I don't know. I think Seb might be here to help. So whenever it rains, Seb can't really work because he's got a triaxle. So, I don't know. Guess I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hope you're excited. Send some love in the comments too. Show some support. Keep gunning.